On today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Acer 5. This is the Nitro versions of them. And this one actually got a Intel Core i5 11400H. It's got the RTX 3050 Ti. It's a very common laptop that you would see at Best Buy, Walmart. It's got 512 gigabytes of NVMe SSD storage, and it's got 16 gigs of RAM. And it's got a 144 Hz 15x6 IPS panel. So let's just unbox it and see what we got. Let's open this up, see what we get in the box. Whoops. Oh, it's very well boxed up. I thought it would fold open. This is everything we get in the box. We get some warranty papers, some instruction booklet, I guess, some stickers from Acer, which is pretty cool. This will be a power brick. Now this has just got a 3050 Ti, so the power brick ain't going to be huge and massive, and you ain't going to have two of them, because some laptops will actually have two power bricks. But the Acer has just got this one power brick here. Also comes with this right here. This is for, look like a SSD extension. I think that's what that's for. The other thing for the power cable. Some extra bolts. This is probably for M.2 HDD upgrade. That's for a hard drive or SSD. That's what that one thing for. And you get the Nitro little latch for the backpack and stuff. That's what I always use them for. Now the laptop. It's packaged extremely good, a whole lot better than you mostly see. Let's try to get these off here. It is in a dust cover bag. And I did unbox it upside down. That's fine, we will flip it over. The Acer now has got these little grooves in it. Kind of favors the MSIs and some of the Predator Tough laptops. They have improved the cooling on the Nitro extremely well. That's one complaint I had with some of the Nitros, was they didn't cool off, but these vents has addressed that, looks like. We got the power port right here in the middle of the laptop. The back side of the laptop, if you notice, has got two new fans added to it instead of one, and it's got plenty of cooling vents, so it can get a ton of air and push it out. The keyboard is red in color. I do not know if it's RGB, but it should light up. Okay. And they no charge in the laptop at all. So let's plug it in and see what we got. So we plugged the laptop in, and it still is not coming on. Is it plugged in good, Chris?
Sure.
It should be. Are we plugged in over there, Avis? Yep.
There it is.
Okay, we weren't plugged in all the way. So let's open this up and hit the power button.
Is it light up?
Usually these laptops come with a little bit of juice in them, but this one was totally dead out of the box. I plugged it in, it's coming on very good. This should have Windows 11 on it. This is a pretty new laptop. It might have Windows 10. I'm very interested to see. Just a moment, and we're going to have to set up Windows. The screen, I can tell you right now, off angle, does look extremely good. It's got a very good anti-glare coating over it.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Well, hi, Cortana. So Windows installed setup was pre-installed. You just had to go to the little, registry stuff, Acer and stuff. But it's not Windows 11. It's Windows 10, which is good. Windows 11 is still a little buggy here. No, I'll show you that out here. Comes pre-installed with Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and how much bloatware does this thing got? Acer products, Acer registry, Dopex Productions, DTX Sound. Not much bloatware on it. Nothing I would be too worried about. if you didn't like the Bloatware, you could always just install fresh Windows on it and lose the factory one, which what I probably would do. But all in all, I think it looks extremely good. The screen's extremely bright. It's got very good anti-glare coating on it. No matter which way you look at it, it gets a little bit dingy if you kind of off angle, but not too bad. Like you could share and watch a movie with somebody and they wouldn't have no trouble viewing it. So at the end of the day, this was a very just quick unboxing video of the Acer. It has hardly not much flex at all. The MSIs, the G series MSIs, got a lot more flex. The screen looks good. It's upgradable with storage. You can add more storage. You should be able to add more RAM. Battery life on this, it says 8 hours. I highly doubt you're going to get 8 hours on this under normal use. I could see 4 to maybe 5 to 6 hours, especially with the Intel. AMD chip, you will got a lot more. It's got an RTX 3050 Ti in it. If you're gaming, you're definitely not going to get no 8 hours on it. Definitely not. So you will want to keep it plugged in. You can hook this up to an external monitor. It does got an HDMI cord and stuff out. And it's got 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, of course. It should be a decent little laptop. You can pick this laptop up for around $1,000, $1,200, somewhere in there, give or take. Sometimes you can find them on sale for a little bit less, a little bit more. So I hope you enjoyed this just average unboxing video of unboxing a computer. I ain't taking it apart in this video, doing all that, because this computer is going to be used for some HB tuner videos and stuff on the, using it to tune the LSs and stuff. That's basically what this computer was got for. So you get to see those videos, and you get, I can comment more in a couple months of battery life and how it works out and all that, and how the hinges hold up. So if you're new, get subscribed. If you're returning subscriber, thank you for watching another one of my videos. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. And I guess we'll go try this laptop out now. Thanks for watching.